crazy. How though? How is my hair this long? Y'all, I don't understand it. What's up, you guys? So recently I did a video talking about whether or not my hair was getting thicker, and I also did a quick length check. Now you guys know that I had my hair cut recently, maybe about 4 weeks ago, about almost a month ago. Before I got it cut, it started off about right here, maybe a little bit below my birthmark. Y'all remember I was talking about my birthmark. So I measure everything based off of my birthmark. You know, that's how I know if it's growing or breaking off or whatever. For those of you who don't know, I don't know if you can see it, but this is my birthmark. It used to be shaped like a heart when I was little, but as I grew older and I started to get long and stretched out, it turned into Italy. I always say that it looks like Italy, like a boot. So before cutting it, it was a little bit below my birthmark. And then after my niece cut my hair was maybe around on my collarbone, or maybe a little bit above my collarbone. And I'm gonna put pictures in here just showing you guys the differences of my hair and how it looked and all of that. So the purpose of me making this video is because on my update video where I was talking about how I felt about relaxing my hair, whether or not my hair was growing, and I also gave like a quick regimen of the things that I had been doing to help aid in growing my hair. So I was watching the video. On that particular video, toward the end, I did a quick little length check. It wasn't even a proper length check because it was never confirmed on where it was, where I stood. But I'm gonna say over this past weekend, I decided to just check the length of my hair because it just didn't feel right. Like something was off. I'm like, now I know my hair was cut shorter than this. And on the video, it was like cut like where a tag would be. So about like right below my neckline. So that's where it was cut. And this was literally a month ago. And it just kind of like blew my mind because I did the video of the update maybe like 2 weeks ago, and over the weekend I decided to do like a quick little length check. I was planning my hair. I think I oiled my scalp or something like that, and I was just like, let me check and see, you know. And I noticed that my hair felt fuller and longer. So I was just like, nah, you know. And I kind of like looked at it and I kind of like fluffed it out, and I was just looking like, nah, you know. So then I called my daughter in and I'm like, hey, could you pull my hair down in the back? And she pulled my hair down in the back, and I just could not believe it. We both couldn't believe it, like how much my hair actually grew in that short amount of time. Like, it's just insane. If I didn't have the video documentations, I wouldn't even believe it. I wouldn't believe it. I would say, okay, I didn't measure it right, something. My hair was bone straight in that video where I got it cut. It was bone straight. So that just kind of like messed me up. I decided to come on here and just show you guys the length, where it is now, and like, I'm just like blown away. Like, I'm so happy that my hair is wanting to cooperate with me. Like, I've wanted to see you flourish for a long time, and it wants to see me flourish, and I'm very thankful for it. So another thing that I wanted to do in this video as well is, in my regimen video, I didn't share everything. Like, I was a little foggy that day. You know, I didn't bring out everything that I use. I've been doing a lot of testing at school, so my mind has been very foggy, just trying to keep up and make sure that, you know, my grades are good. So one thing that I didn't mention in that video, and I'm going to do that now, is I'm going to talk about what I use to keep my hair moisturized. And see, as naturals, well, when I was a natural, I was focused heavily on moisturizing my hair because I didn't want it to dry out on the ends. And now I figured, okay, since I'm relaxed, that does not mean I shouldn't focus on keeping my ends moisturized. So that's another thing that I've been doing since I've been relaxed, is I make sure that I keep my ends moisturized. I don't want my ends to be thirsty. So yeah, I keep my ends moisturized. So real quick, before I go into the lymph check, I want to show you guys what all I've been using just to keep my ends and just my hair all over, but especially my ends moisturized. I use Blue Magic, and I'm gonna say this, I've been using Blue Magic for a few years now. I don't just grease my scalp with it like a ritual, but from time to time I will use Blue Magic. But I have been using this not on my scalp but on my ends. I will wet my hair and then put this like all in my hands and then rub it through my ends. And also these Instant Carefree Moisturizer. This is more like the like activator type, and it's kind of thick to where you can pour it in your hands type of thing. I use this for my ends, and this is the spray. This is more of the watery spray, and I don't really use this. I like more of like the thick activator gel filling type stuff. And I also have activator in a jar as well, the jelly kind, but I don't know where it's at right now. So I just got those two. And the rose water. And this one right here is called By Nature's Rose Water, and it's for your face, your hair, and your skin. So yes, I use this on my skin as well. A lot of people always compliment my skin, and you know, they're like, what do you do? I'm not gonna blame this solely on this because I haven't been using this all my life. But I will say that I do use this on my skin, and I love the way it makes my face feel once I use it. I use this as a moisturizer as well, and it also adds a little bit of shine to my hair.
Perfect.
So I'm going to go ahead and get into this lymph check, and I'll be using this pick. I just feel like it's easier. I don't really like using small tooth combs unless I'm just like really trying to get down to something or part or something, because I noticed that my hair sheds more when I'm using smaller tooth combs. And I don't even necessarily think it's the point of shedding, but it's more so that you're combing with those small combs and snagging. So a lot of that hair is not meant to be shedded, but it's snagging hairs due to that tiny comb going through. So I always try to use either this pick or a wide tooth comb just to comb through it. Or I go through with a smaller comb once I've already went through it with a bigger comb. Okay, so I'm gonna measure the front sides. And y'all remember in the last video, my hair was around up here, somewhere up in here. Okay, so I'm so excited. Oh, okay, so my birthmark is right here. This is the bottom of my birthmark. The top of my birthmark is right here. So let's see. So as of now, it is below my birthmark. This is my birthmark right here. And this is the back bottom. And we tried cutting my hair even all over. So hopefully it's all again right below my birthmark. This is crazy. Like, I don't understand it. How's this even possible? I'm gonna go ahead and do my front. And the front is where I had the most hair cut off, and that is because the front of my hair grows the fastest. Like, it just takes off non-stop. And I'm gonna say my hair in the front comes to about right here. Yay! I know I can't measure the top, but we'll try. I would hold it up and out, but no. Let's bring that forward and see. Shoot, it's just as long. Oh my gosh, my hair is really, really growing. This is crazy. Okay, let's do this side. Ain't got no birthmark, but yeah, they're about the same. It's about the same. My birthmark is right here. So it's about the same. I'm so happy. Now I want to do the back, and I know it's going to be hard. I have not straightened my hair since the beginning of October, and that was around, or the end of September. That was the time when I got it cut. I have not straightened my hair since then. So my hair is not at its straightest, so I won't be able to pull it down, and you won't be able to see the exact length of where it is, but you can just picture. You push my arm up, it hurt. It hurt doing it. Okay, so because I'm in such disbelief, I decided to flat iron the back of my hair, y'all. I can't. Okay, so I don't know where it is. You guys see? Crazy. This is just absolutely crazy. My hair's never grown this fast. Well, it has, but that was back in the day when I was relaxed. So I noticed that a lot of the people who dislike the idea that I went relaxed are still following me and still keeping track, and you know, they let it be known that they're still present. Hey boos. So here's my take on it. If you guys have damaged ends, or if your hair is just uneven, cut it off. Get rid of it, because your hair is gonna grow in so much faster, all in the same length. All right, so that's my video. So I'm about to get ready for class, and y'all, I'm literally running late. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my hair in some quick. Some people in my class gonna be like, Lord, what happened to her today? I really don't care. I mean, we all deserve a bad day at least once. I don't care. That ain't too bad. I don't want my bangs this thick. I noticed I'm starting to leave out less and less bangs because my hair is getting thicker. So
Perfect.
I forgot to oil my scalp. Yeah, I forgot to oil my scalp. The plan was to do that on camera. And I know not everybody like tight ponytails, but I love for my ponytails to be felt. We're just gonna put it like that. You do yours the way you want to do it though. I don't want this kind. Alright you guys, so that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media sites under T-Day6, and also under Snapchat under the real T-Day6. Thank you.